Bixby Vision Camera. Bixby Vision can provide live translations and show calories in food. Internet connection required for features to work. The Galaxy S9 Plus launches with Bixby Vision built in this time, a basic improvement over last year's flagship phones, which had Samsung's AI feature defanged for several months. What's here from day one is a virtual assistant meant to rival Siri and Google Assistant, and its camera integration actually makes it superior in a few ways. Live translation, particularly, impressed us by being easy to load from the camera and quickly decode foreign language signs and menus. The background color, font size and multi-line text didn't matter to Bixby, either. No photo had to be snapped to translate what was before us. That's great news for travelers, though you will need data to power this internet-connected feature. Bixby Vision will continue to name and detail landmarks through location-aware smarts and identify food from the camera. It'll also now has the helpful, or shame-resulting, power to inform you of the amount of calories in that food, according to Samsung. We'll have to evaluate this new feature ourselves to see how well it works in real life. We may eat a lot of donuts, for review testing purposes only. The 8MP front-facing camera is put to use if you'd like a makeover. Bixby Vision has new makeup mode, overlaying various blushes, mascara and lipsticks via partnerships with CoverGirl and Sephora. It's an augmented reality feature designed to guide you through the purchase flow, noted Samsung. It seems like more of a neat tech demo, if you ask us.